आणि जे क्वेश्चन तो विचारला की whether we are overwhelmed by the influx of outsiders. I would say yes, because हांव ते ओपिनियन पोला खातीर अशें म्हणना की गोंय एक ब्युटिफूल राज्य, ताज्या खातीर we cannot say that because of statehood people started coming in Goa and settling in Goa. No, even before that people from Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra had settled in Goa after liberation in large numbers, and somewhere down the line we were Goans were getting marginalized as far as jobs were concerned. आणि म्हणूनच गोंय हित्राखंड म्हणजे अशें जायते आमचे कोंकणी लँग्वेज एज्युकेशन जालें 1986, 1985, 86 हे आमचे कोंकणीचें अस्तित्व आमकां तिगोवन दवरपा खातीर. मागीर गोवा बचाव अभियान जालें, अशीं कितलींशींच अभियानां जालीं गोंयांत जी आमची गोंयकारांचें अस्तित्व तिगोवपा खातीर. वी आर ऑल्सो डिमांडिंग स्पेशल स्टेटस फॉर गोवा फर्स्ट अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ मतानी साल्ढाणा. कारण आमचे जे गोंयकार, हांव अशें म्हणना की वी ऑफकोर्स वी आर ऑल इंडियन्स एंड वी आर प्राऊड ऑफ इट, बट एट द सेम टायम जे सन्स ऑफ द सॉयल एंड डॉटर्स ऑफ द सॉयल तांकां खंय तरी जॉब्स मेळचे अशें आमकां दिसता. कारण तांचे सपोज इफ दे आर क्वॉलिफायड एंड दे आर नॉट टेकन फॉर द जॉब्स आनी आमच्या गोंयकाराच्या भुरग्यांक जॉब मेळना आनी हेर राज्यांतल्या लोकांक जॉब मेळटा, खंय तरी दुखता.
Goa is not like rest of India. Rest of India was under British rule, whereas Goa was a Portuguese colony from 1511 onwards. So more than 450 to 500 years we were under Portuguese, whereas while we were under Portuguese, the rest of India were under Mughals, Mughal Empire. Aurangzeb was the last of the Mughal emperor, and then thereafter, while Shivaji was fighting for Bombay, acquisition of Bombay, which was also under Portuguese, earlier then given as a dowry to the British. Now what is very, very important for us is look at history. All the countries which were the colonies of Portugal before, whether it be African countries, Mozambique, Angola, Guinea-Bissau, or even a small tiny Timor in Philippines, they are all different countries. They are not part of any country. Look at Timor. Timor is not a part of Indonesia. It's a separate country which is a small island in Indonesia. Goa would have been a different country. It is not going to be a part of India. It became a part of India because the then freedom fighters didn't fight for Goa liberation as a separate country. They fought to be a part of Indian Union. Our freedom fighters went to take help of Nehru, not to liberate Goa from the Portuguese, but to integrate Goa as a part of India. So we have become a part of India. And now within the part of India, there is nothing great what has happened. Yes, opinion poll is important in the sense that we would have become a colony, a small part of a small district of Maharashtra, which is still worse. From becoming a separate country, we are going to become a district of Maharashtra, which is very bad. So the whole situation, tomorrow's Liberation Day celebration, opinion poll celebration, is good that we are not become a district of Maharashtra. But you are forgetting the greater picture, that Goa was never a part of British Empire. And therefore, in the witness of things, is that we are now a separate state. And as a state, we have a separate budget, we have a separate entity, we have a separate identity. But this has not helped us much.